Hi, I'm Noam. I'm your PT. How are you feeling?
A little bit weak.
A little bit weak? Okay. um, so we're just gonna do a couple tests. I'm gonna just listen to your lungs and see what I hear. Okay, so I'm just gonna go kind of down the middle of your chest, on the sides, and then we'll do the back, kind of the same areas as well. Okay. And I have your permission to do that? Okay, sounds good. Okay, so first I'm going to listen to the base of your neck just to get a kind of baseline. Yeah, just breathe nice and normal, just normal. Okay, so now I want you to take some deep breaths. I'm going to compare to the other side. Good. So I'm hearing pretty loud sounds on your as you take breath in and you take breath out, which is good. So I'll do a couple more. Let me know if this hurts or anything. Good. Sounds the same on both sides. And I'll just go down here. And again, let me know if if you're uncomfortable or anything like that. And you can put your hands. Yeah, it's fine right there. Let me know if you get dizzy or anything. Yeah, so that it sounds good. It sounds a little bit louder up here, which is supposed to, and about even as you inhale, exhale, and then down here it's a little bit quieter, and I can still hear the inhale, but a little bit less of the exhale. You can just stay there. I'll go around. Okay. All right, so just give yourself a little hug, but relax. Good. Other side. Good. All right, let's do a couple more. Sounds the same. Yeah, sounds clear. And I'm just going to go down a little bit lower. All right, do it again. Just gonna move your okay, do it again. Don't think I'm on the right. All right, try again now. Yeah, so I definitely feel more on the inhalation. Okay, let's try on this side. All right, very good. So all the sounds were, the same on both sides, and I heard what I was supposed to hear. So it was like louder on top, quieter as I get further down, and to the sides. I can hear your inhalation more and not as much exhalation, which is what you're supposed to hear. So everything looks good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.